Meet Jane. Jane is a financial controller at Pacific Manufacturing. She manages a small team of accountants and works to help ensure that the company is profitable. She checks that the team's reporting is accurate and consistent with company policies and procedures, delivers customer invoices and statements on time to ensure cash flow, and pays vendors on time to ensure stock consistency. Like many small business accounting teams, they use a basic accounting system. However, with the business recently taking off and expanding into Europe, they find that they are generating more and more data than what their accounting software can handle. Jane's team has to enter data into disparate systems that don't talk to each other. They also have to share user credentials using their existing systems. Jane deals with customers complaining because they're being charged incorrectly on their invoices. There's a lack of accurate visibility and real-time updates of what's in stock, and they need to call someone in the warehouse to check availability. It seems that while the existing accounting system may have worked in the past, it is no longer ideal for her team, as the company seems to have outgrown their accounting system. She decides to talk to Karen and Steven, the CFO and CEO of the company. She explains to them that they have outgrown their current accounting solution and that a unified solution is what the business needs to accommodate their growth. Steven and Karen agree and support Jane to look for a unified solution that meets their growing business needs. After some thorough research, Jane comes across SAP Business One and Vision 33, the #1 global SAP Gold Partner reseller for growing businesses and subsidiaries of large enterprises. Sometime later, Jane, Karen, and Steve meet Vision 33, and together they went through the company's business processes. Vision 33 explained all the advantages Jane's accounting team can benefit from when using SAP Business One, as well as overall benefits for the company. After the data migration and implementation of best practices suggested by the Vision 33 team, Jane started using SAP Business One. She noticed that her team is operating much more efficiently than before, as data from all departments has been consolidated into one system. She also noticed that there's better visibility into their inventory, and more importantly, their company cash flow status. With the help of Vision 33, Jane and Steven also gained valuable insights into the business. This allowed them to make strategic decisions so they could grow their business even faster. It was all possible thanks to SAP Business One and Vision 33. For more information about SAP Business One and Vision 33, go to www.vision33.com.